Yes, this is my moped that I like to ride on. I think it's good and fun. I have built it from a Puch Corrado or MGB Manet. It depends where you live, what you call it. It doesn't look like this, obviously, from the factory. I changed some things on it. I have put on a Honda XR80 tank and a Lifan 50cc 4-stroke engine, and I have extended the seat and built a lot of things around it. And I changed the sprockets and everything so it suits my riding, and now it's perfect. It's running exactly the way I want it, and I go on long rides occasionally, and that's why I want this setup. So the plan now this winter is to do it so all the colors matching. Now it looks like a rainbow, maybe with a different colors here. So that's my channel supposed to be like about this moped maybe. So the plan is it's always been yellow. I own this moped for many years, and now I'm thinking to change the color. And I have just done test painting on this. I found it on the store. It's not, I just did it fast, so it's not so nice, but clearly it doesn't match so well now. But the plan is to polish up that tank and it will match better, I think. And then I am going to do some stickers, not just this sticker, but yeah, so you get the kind of look I'm looking for is like the old school Honda XR style with some sun fading, and yeah, it's gonna look old, but it's gonna look fresh. And the seat's gonna be dark blue. So I had bought a tool bag that's matching the color that I want to bring on the moped, like this. I think it will be good. It doesn't matter. The thing that matters is it's gonna be fun to ride. And I also have one here. It's my chopper that they build on the same frame, but a different engine. And yeah, I'm riding on different meetings or moped rallies. But now this winter I need to clear all the rust in here. So now it's acid in here that's clearing out the rust, so to speak. And the front fork I extended, and I'm doing some polishing and chroming on that one. So that's going to be winter fixing as well. But now it's a good weather outside. So I'm thinking maybe I should go on a ride before I tear this apart, because it's so fun to ride. This is nice. It's down by the sea in Gothenburg, so it's nice. And I'm riding my moped. It's running great. There's a guy paddling kayak. It's really nice weather. Usually this time of year it's much colder. Oh, yesterday was colder, but today it's warmer, so that's nice. So the plan is to take a little ride with you guys to see my cruising environment here in Gothenburg. So yeah, now we're leaving the ocean and the harbors and going for some small ride adventures. That's a thing that I love to do. much as possible. As you can hear, this engine is really quiet. And that's one of the purposes that I chose this engine, because it's really quiet. And if you want to, it can be really fast as well. It's a bumpy road. It's no worries, I have control. Here is a really cool place to ride, I think. It's like an alley with a lot of trees. It's beautiful now that the autumn is here. Here's a cool place as well. We're driving over the freeway. And down again. Oh, it was slippery there. With all the leaves. Here's like a slalom track if you want to. You can do that slalom, really slalom. Right now in Gothenburg, they have a lot of road work. They are working on every road almost, and here also. But it's gonna be nice when they are done. But it's really on a lot of places. It's too much. You have no control where to drive or what to do. But it's nice to have that they are fixing the roads. Now it's a bit bumpy on this dirt road here. Just a short video today. I really love doing these videos and riding mopeds, and I hope I can do it again sometime. If you like mopeds and adventures in different places in Sweden with a moped, you can subscribe and help me on my way to being a professional moped rider. Have it nice.